Good day everyone. Today episode 2 we are going to look today function in Excel. Yes, in calendar, have you ever thought about it? How do we measure from today till particular day? When you think about to see some particular day, the Excel today function gives you a clarity from today onwards what will be how many days you can go previous and also how many days you can go future. Let's get into this. Let's have a syntax. Equal today open and close parenthesis is a syntax. You don't need to put any variables. So let's try to enter the formula here and see what happens. When I try to enter equal today open and close parenthesis, as you can see the Excel started to provide current date. What is today? It's important for you to understand the equal symbol in front of formula. Every function is mandatory. Otherwise, Excel cannot understand are you trying to enter the formula or text. Let's have a look how we can effectively use today functions and what are the situations that you can use. Now, I wanted to add some particular days from today. And in the same way, I wanted to see from today previously how many days based on some days reference. So here I put 5 days and 10 days. Let's see how do we get it using today. When I use the formula called equal today, this time since I wanted to add some days, I use plus symbol and select this particular cell. Then today plus D16 which has number 5. The system calculates and it gives from your current date after 5 days, this is the day. Simply you can use the same formula, copy paste, or you can type. Now I'm using simply the corner button to drag it so the same formula is actually copied to the down. Just for you to know what is the formula that I'm writing, I'm trying to put here. When I'm selecting, I need to press F2 so that if I wanted to type in, then it is possible. So I use this particular symbol so that Excel knows I'm trying to capture the text so it doesn't calculate this as a formula. I wanted to get what will be the date on yesterday, last week, last month and last year. Instead of having this plus minus counting the days, I wanted to use same as the cell. As you know, if I use 1, 7, 30, 365. As you can see, when I type, it automatically change the format as a date format. If this particular cell has been used as a date format, when you try to enter the number, it simply tells or shows the date format. All that what you need to do is select the cell, right click and format. Go to the format cell under this number. Then you can use something called general. Same as this. That's it. So now I type in, then I'm trying to use equal to today. Then I'm going to use, wait. I cannot use the plus symbol. When I wanted to add something, I use plus. When I wanted to use yesterday or last week, I need to use minus. Then I use this cell. Now I copy this without using the mouse. I'm coming down and pasting it. If you wanted to know how we use keyboard without mouse, in my first video, I have given the cell selections. So that could help you how we can copy and navigate from one cell to another cell using keyboards. Let's try to have a similar kind of a setup but with reference to the date. I have taken a couple of past examples and then I have taken a couple of future examples. When we try to identify, let's say that someone is asking you how old are you? How do we find it? It could be easy for you to tell about the year, but let's really get the numbers. how many days you have been till now. So if this is my birthday, then I use a formula today minus this particular date, then it tells me 10,958 days until today. Then how do I convert it into the age? As we know, we have 365 days. I simply select this particular cell and then divide 365 days, which is actually telling me that I am 30 years old. Now I'm going to simply copy paste, or just using the mouse, I'm clicking the corner, so it's just simply copy paste all the cells that are below. Okay, let's use in the same way. Now I wanted to use for the future. When someone asks you when is your birthday, then you can simply tell maybe next month, or you can tell a specific date. But how many days to go? How many months to go? This is a question. Let me try to give exactly the same today function, but what you need to do, you need to put in a different way. Otherwise, the days what we get here, you will get it in negative. Let's take equal today minus this particular day. As you can see, I need to change the number. It's same problem as we have seen in the above. As you can see now, it shows the number, so it's not the right way. What we need to do, instead of putting today in front, you need to simply select the cell D2 minus today. So then the system knows what's actually the days to go and the month to go. So I simply copy that and double click, and I get how many months and days. If you wanted to see this in a year, as you know, you need to use 365 days. Hey, hope you enjoy my video. Let's learn together with me more. Till then, take care. See you soon. If you like my video, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more arrivals in your inbox.